Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Today I'll be showing you guys on how I did this beautiful crochet hair on my head. It's gonna be a very detailed video. Hopefully it's helpful to you guys, and as always, comments below, like this video, and yeah, let's get started. Right, as you can see here, I have already braided my hair off camera. I will be doing the regular crochet, but I'll be doing the individual crochet at the front to give you that more of a realistic look. Please pay attention to the way I braid my hair. I also braid the hair very tiny on the front and then combine it into one braid in the back. So it would be like, it would just look smaller. And the front, I did individual braids in the front. So that's where I will be doing the individual crochet. Pay attention to the braid style. This is the key to making your crochet look nice and natural. Okay. And this is what the hair looked like. I actually bought this hair from Amazon. I find that it is very cheaper to get it on Amazon. I will put it on the description box below, or you can message me, so I'll let you know more. So I'm just gonna do a side right here. So you're gonna put the crochet pin in there, and then as you can see, it's in there, and we're going to put the hair on the hook. And you're going to close the hook and pull, and then you open it again. I usually take the edge of the crochet because it's the smaller, close the hook and pull it through the hole, and I will just go over this one more time, and then you just pull. This is literally it. So this is what it looked like. Okay, now that you have seen how I did one crochet, and let me just show you, I'm gonna also leave space on the back. So you should always leave 2 fingers of space on the back. This is to prevent the hair from being so heavy and so thick in the back. If you do have extra hair left at the end, you can always go back and add hair at the end, but you wanna make sure you give it that extra space. Speed up the video because it seemed like I didn't have that much of a good lighting before, but I kind of fixed that problem. So here I'm gonna show you again how to do the crochet, so you can watch it right here. You're just gonna pull it through, and then also just attach the hair on the crochet and pull. So it's like a pull and tuck method I can say. So you're just gonna keep repeating the same process all the way until you're done on the front. So same thing again. This will kind of help you guys know how to do your own hair. So, but if you do need to go to a hairstylist, you can always do so. But this can kind of help. So I did make the front of crochet, they're very close together compared to the back because you want to give it a realistic look. So now I am done with the crochet on the back, so now it's time for me to do the individual crochet in the front. I have done some of it off camera because it is actually 3 in the morning and I'm doing my hair, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do. I did leave 2 hair outside so that way I can show you guys how to do the individual crochet. And again, I'm gonna make this part very detailed just so you guys can tell. I am kind of sick, so I might sound a little bit rusty, but yeah, as long as this video is helpful to you guys, that's all I care about. And I did use edge control to braid my individual braids in the front to just kind of make the hair more smooth, and it kind of make it blend well with the crochet hair. Like whenever I tuck it into the braids, it kind of makes it get rid of all of the excess, I don't want to say nap, I don't like that word, naps, but it just make the hair more smooth. when you use edges. So you're gonna pull the crochet hair like into the individual braids. So I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but yeah. Now that you're seeing the two braids were completely separate, what I'm trying to do now, I will be hiding my braid, my hair, into the crochet braid. So I'm gonna like try to hide the hair. So I'm gonna be pulling the hair inside of the crochet braid as I go. So like pull and tuck, pull and tuck. Like that. You're gonna hide the hair inside of the braids until you can't see it no more. So here you can see a little bit more better. And that's all it takes. And also we're going to do the same process again on the other braid. Just the same, just repeat the same process again on this one. You're gonna take the pin through my hair like I'm doing now. And the smaller you braid it, the harder it is for the pin to go through, but that would be your preference. I recently cut my hair, so I had to braid my hair a little bit smaller because I didn't have any hair because I cut it too much. Yeah. So just repeat the same process. The final look like it's all done, and it look like it's all individually braid, but you will never tell it's crochet. Just make it look very natural, realistic look. Yeah, you can individually crochet the front to give it that natural look, and the bottom of the braid is actually a twist, so I really love that part about it. As always, if you love this video, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and I will always reply to you guys. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time in my next video.